Okay, so my screen protector has officially seen better days. As you can see, it is cracked and honestly past time for a replacement. So I'm switching things up and trying this screen protector for my iPhone 13 Pro, and I want to show you the whole process. This comes in a 3-pack of tempered glass screen protectors, which I love because that means that I'm covered for a while, even if one cracks again down the road. It's also case friendly, so it should not interfere with whatever case you're using. First things first, I'm peeling off my old cracked one, and look how bad that is. It's definitely time for a new one. Now it's time to clean my screen with the provided wet and dry wipes. So first is the wet wipe. I'll just wipe that off. And then you follow it up with the dry wipe. And now I'm using this little sticker that it comes with to get off any extra dust. Okay, now I just peel off the protective sleeve, making sure that I don't touch the sticky part. And now I'm just going to place it on my phone, lining it up with the edges and the camera cutout. And then I'm just going to make sure there's no bubbles. And look at that. It looks great. And now here it is with my case back on. It still fits perfectly with no gaps or interference around the edges. You really cannot even tell that there's a screen protector on there. The clarity is great and my screen feels so smooth again. If your screen protector is looking like mine was, or if you just want to be prepared with extras for the future, this 3-pack is such an easy and affordable fix. Application was simple, there were no tools needed, and it looks brand new again.